Welcome to StudyWind, where we make learning a breeze. Today we will be looking at simultaneous equations. So in algebra, simultaneous equations are where you solve equations with two variables by using two equations side by side. So for example, here's an example of how a simultaneous equation which you could solve. 2x plus 3y equals 13, and 4x plus 5y equals 23. So, you have to get rid of one of the variables to start working out the answer. So you have to either get rid of x or y. There are two ways to do this, but I'll show you the first way, which is to simply multiply the equations until the amount of variables are equal in one equation or the other, and then subtract the equations from each other. So here, we can get both equations to equal 4x by doubling the first equation. So you can have 4x plus 6y equals 26, and 4x plus 5y equals 23. Then we can subtract the equations, so 4 minus 4, 4x minus 4x is 0, 5y minus 6y is negative y, and 23 minus 26 is negative 3, so y equals 3. And then you work out the x's, so 2x plus 3y equals 13, 2x plus 3 times 3, 2x plus 9 is 13, so 13 minus 9 is 4, therefore 2x is 4, so x equals 2 and y equals 3. The other way of working it out is substitution, so you can put one of the variables on the other side of the equation, and you can say like 2x equals 13 minus 3y. And therefore, in the other equation, 4x must be 2 times 13 minus 3y. So 26 minus 6y plus 5y equals 23. So therefore, 26 minus y equals 23, and y equals 3. And then, of course, you can work out the rest of the equation using the y value. So time for a comprehension test to check whether you've taken in what I've told you. So find x and y in the equations 4x plus 3y equals 19 and 5y plus x equals 9. So we're using substitution here because substitution works for all forms of simultaneous equations, while subtraction only works for simple simultaneous equations. So we'll be showing you substitution. So first, we get x equals 9 minus 5y, because that's the easiest value of x we can get. Then 4x plus 3y equals 19, so we multiply 9 minus 5y by 4, and we get 36 minus 20y plus 3y equals 19. And if we simplify that, we get 17y equals 17. So y equals 1. So then 4x plus 3 times 1, 4x plus 3 equals 19, so 4x equals 16, and then we have the answers. X equals 4 and y equals 1. Question 2 solves the simultaneous equations 3y plus 2x equals 5, and 3x plus 9y equals 9. So first, we'll use substitution. 3y equals 5 minus 2x, because 9y can be divided by 3y, so that's the best one. That's the best thing to substitute, because 3y can be multiplied by 3 to get 9y. So 15 minus 6x plus 3x equals 9, because we multiply it out. And then when we simplify it, we can get 3x equals 6, and then x equals 2. And then the rest of the equation is quite simple to solve. We've got 3y plus 2 times 2, 3y plus 4 equals 5. So 3y equals 5 minus 4, which is 1. So y is 1/3, and x equals 2. And last question, which is a bit more tricky. 3x plus 5y equals 4.9, and 6x plus 9y equals 9.4. So we're using decimals here. So first, as always, we'll use substitution. 3x equals 4.9 minus 5y. And then multiply that by 2 to get 9.8 minus 10y for the 6x one. And then 9.8 minus 10y plus 9y equals 9.3. So therefore y equals 0.5. When you subtract 9.3 from 9.8 and move the y's to the other side of the equation, and then you can find out x rather simply by just saying 3x plus 5 times 0.5, 3x plus 2.5 equals 4.9, 3x equals 4.9 minus 2.5, 3x equals 2.4, so therefore x equals 4/5, 0.8, and y equals 0.5. That's all for this lesson. Remember to like and subscribe for more maths videos.